goodness, I'm not in 5. I'll put the other one at 32,003. The most you're going to wind up with is 2 contracts instead of 5. And then you can decide where your stop is. You're in a lot better shape than if you just bought 5 at the market at 950. You'd already be down 9 ticks. And then you get stopped out with a 50-point loss with all 5. Okay? I hope that explains my version. Now, there are, again, you say, well, what about the big boys? Well, they might normally, a more substantial client might trade 25 contracts or 50 contracts. And I know many people will come in and go, hey, is the market up or down today? All right, I'm getting on a flight in a half an hour at LaGuardia. And then I would say right now, well, the 133, the high is 32,200. The guy said, well, all right, I'll tell you what. Buy me 5 contracts. Buy one at the market, a short one at the market now, short one at 32.60 and 32,200. I'll talk to you later. Calls from Los Angeles. The market's already closed. Hey, I see the market's down 600. Yeah, you only got 2 of them off, but all right, cool, great. See you tomorrow. That's different.
Well, one of the things is when I'm talking to these guys, if most people don't know how to scale in or out appropriately, Coach.
True.
And, they need to learn a basic setup first.
Yeah.
There's a sell signal right there.
Mm-hmm.
50-ring sell signal, guys.
Yeah. Sell signal right here.
So, when I say this, guys, what I'm saying is you don't need to be scaling because you don't know how to do it appropriately. If you're if your version of scaling is to keep adding contracts till you run out of money, that's not doing it the right way.
Right. And you don't even know where first touch roll or whatever is. Yeah.
Or resistances or swing points.
Yeah. And that's not the first thing we teach. Just like, what's the other non-first thing we teach? Tape reading. Everybody wants to be a tape reader. Man, that's tough. Tape reading will tell me which one of the targets is going to be hit after the tape comes out. Yesterday, for example, I came in late, over an hour and a half late, because it was at the doctor's office. So I started immediately reading the tape. And the tape was every rally was faster than every sell-off. That told me we were going to hit 552. Again, we were going to hit that resistance area again. And then I just started buying pullbacks. So that's how tape reading can help. But guys, you don't start with tape reading. So yeah, it's hard. We can't teach everybody everything.
You learn to be consistent at 1 or 2 things. Get really good at it. 1 or 2 setups. Ask Tim. Get good at 1 or 2 setups. It will pay you.
Mm-hmm.
And then over time, once you get more confidence, once you learn how to manage support and resistance levels yourself, once you learn how to identify major swing points, then you can scale accordingly. Don't do it until you learn. That's silly.
Because in this last short, I covered at 927, and now we're waiting for the open. Again, no newbie trading for first 6 minutes. All right. And if you don't know if you're a newbie or not, you are. So what do we want to see? We want to see overbought and a sell signal, right, guys? After 6 minutes. But we did get a sell signal right here. Does everybody see this? I took it out at 27. I want to be flat before the open. Obviously, the market is weak, people. Okay? Here we have less than 45 seconds.
What's that?
To the open.
45 seconds. Let's get ready for some fireworks. Hey, prepare to be amazed, guys. This will be fun today. It's been a lot of fun today.
$31,820 is support, big support. $32,505, big resistance. The big news, of course, was inflation numbers worse than expected. Okay, open for business. Here we go.
Inflation.
Yeah,
That was over in like tick
a
started
balloon or something. Yeah, maybe it's a balloon.
negative 1,800.
Okay, obviously, guys, the ticks start off low, which tells you the first thing was a sell program. So you know you want to short rallies. 90% part of your plan, 90% of your plan should be short rallies in here. Let the market get overbought, short rallies.
And those of you on trial with us, we say no trading for the first 6 minutes. For several reasons, we want to make sure we let the institutions start battling it out first and figure out where they're going to land before we just jump into trades. Some of us have permission to trade the open. Most of you should sit on the sidelines for the first 6 minutes and let it figure itself out. There have been very few days, literally in the past month, that we haven't had a great signal buy or sell within that 6 to 7 minute mark after the open. So sit back and relax, guys.
Yep.
And again, orientation at noon for all you new people. We keep getting trial people to show up. We're doing a quick orientation at noon for you trial people, so please be online. You can download the mobile version and listen in if you're not able to be on your computer. Is sales.
Die, you dirty cockroach.
Those of you allowed to trade first 6 minutes, you should be short now.
Yep. If you have permission.
If you have permission.
Do the dumpage trade. I think this is the only time the coach and I both call the trade at the same time.
Yeah. What's funny is how people say, "Oh, I'm confused," when you call a long trade, I call a short trade, and we both make money. How's that?
Yeah. And think about it, guys. Even that program that we are working on that we should have very shortly for you is going to issue buy and sell signals. That doesn't mean you have to take every one of them. It should be consistent with your plan. Those of you who are on the 6 minute, do not take this short. Leave it alone. Just wait and watch.
You will have your opportunity.
Yep. Here's a little bit of an M below this little support right here. See that little 942 area? Takes them off. Good job, coaches, including
Good job,
myself.
guys.
I'm sure old Coach Wilbur, are you short?
Obviously.
I think all the coaches are short. Sloan, Rad.
Sloan has permission.
Yep. Sorry, Rad. You got to wait. But money awaits.
Tony does have permission.
I gave the example of the bag and what I get so many times, clients will say, wow, I love what you guys are doing. And I say, are you doing it? No, not, but I'm thinking about it.
Thinking about it.
Just lower your stop now, guys. Lower your stop. Lower your stop. Lock in 15 points. Everybody's short, right? Wherever you're in, lock in 15 points, okay? And just ride it. Where are we riding it to? Bill, are you short?
29,000.
Yeah. Bill, are you short? Where's your target? 31, 8.
6 minutes are up.
No, plus 44. 820 is your target. I said, once you get a profitable trade, hold on for that target just once. And then you could say, I did it once in a year. Remember, you've been doing this a year, man. 820. Unless you stopped out. I know, no, just lock in 15 ticks. You're either going to get stopped out for a 15 tick profit now. All right, how about 20 points? Sloan, you're allowed to move your stop another 5 ticks. That's it. 20 points or 820. That's it. And if the market stops you out, I made 20 points. When's the last time you guys ever complained about a 20-point profit?
Never.
And Rad, you can get in now on any high tick read. And 820, Rad, will be your target. All right?
That goes for any of you guys who have done the coaching with us, on high tick reads. Especially those of you who've coached with me.
I've got 2 left. 1 off here.
I added at the first touch rule.
Nice job, coach. And that's it. 1 next, and I'm going to keep 1. If we get 820, guys, I'm still keeping 1. Normally I go all out, but this is very weak. So I'm just lowering my stop a little bit. I've locked in 35 points now on my original trade. Guys, we're short at 984.
Good job, Lope.
Great job, Lope. 820 is your next target. And then trail it. Then tighten your stop up. Everybody shooting for 820?
Everybody should be short.
Yeah.
You had your chance.
Yeah, this is it. And then you could be done for the day. You don't have to fart around with other stuff. All right, that will conclude half of the trade here.
Good job, guys.
Oh, wow. One more. Come on. Go lower. So I could trail my stop, please.
I got to cue up a new runner music.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No more cucaracha. You better do that. Eye of the tiger, people. Rad is done for the day. Oh, we're hearing a lot of done for the day.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Be that way, guys.
Yeah.
Be done for the day. Worst case scenario, leave 1 trailing on like the 89.
Yeah.
And walk away. What's the worst thing that happens? You make a little profit.
Exactly.
You know what the hardest part is?
What is the hardest?
I'm sorry.
Is it out?
Yeah.
Who is? Oh, it's Coach Wilbur. What is the hardest?
Hardest is continuing to make money.
Isn't it funny how people are afraid of making money?
Yeah. It's like, well, this never happens to me. I better get out.
I'll pick my profits at 25
Yeah.
ticks every time. Locked and loaded.
My trailing stop on my original entry here, up here, guys, right now, I'm just lowered it to 951. The rest of you guys are out? Okay. You go. Good job. 951 is my trailing stop.
It's a nice little, it was a good little long signal though.
Yeah, it's a long signal. Right off the low. I see it.
Job, you go.
Excellent. $951 is my last contract trailing stop. Beautiful, Sloan. Once I'm out of this, we will play the music. Everybody should have gotten at least 100 points on one contract. One of those contracts should have given you 100 points. Now, this first touch rule area still would use about a 951 stop, right? If you go short in here, you still could use, well, either a 950 stop where I got mine, or right over the top there, which is 32,008. Up to you. You see this here? Now I'm still short, guys. I haven't gotten out of anything. And anyone who adds, let's say you add like at 930 or so, take 30 points profit.
There you go.
When it comes to 900, cover one, pull your stop down, and you're in another trade. Swing traders, obviously,
Good sell signal.
they came nowhere near resistance. Where is the bigger resistance on this chart right now, if you look at it, guys? The first one is the first touch rule. Where's the second one? It's right above. See that blue line? 32,017. Yep. So you have a choice. Either keep trailing your short position or add or go back in at 32,017. A cool thing, we talked about this yesterday, right, is to use something like Hugo's, we'll come up with a name. We're going to have a contest.
Actually, you guys vote on the name for it.
Yeah, we got to vote on a name and use that as an exit point. So if there's a buy signal, you can say, all right, I'm going to exit here, and then I'll go back in when the thing retraces like it's doing now. Yeah, running into resistance here, 922, guys. There we go. Short at 922. First target is plus 20.
You guys did take that short signal, right? Easy short here.
Yep.
Almost no heat.
No heat.
Good job,
We like
guys.
We
Good
like
job.
Yeah, here they go.
Lock in profits now. Make sure you have a gain. You guys know what to do at this point. It's an easy
Good
trade.
job, Bill. Yeah, now you just manage your trade, Bill. That's it. You don't turn it into a loss. If you're in at 17, you don't go, well, I get stopped out at 50. Now your 50 stop becomes lock in as a profit. And where's our next target? 68, 48, and then what? 31, 820. We have not hit 820. Believe it or not, the low, I still have a bid. Guess where I still have a bid in, guys?
820.
Yeah, I missed it by one tick. Am I mad? Yeah, I'm not mad. I added. Still my target. All right, Jay. Well, we'll get you more.
It's all right. Well, yeah, there's another opportunity.
I see it. You go. Okay, hey, you go. Take your time with that. We want to get it right. Think about it. You got so much time to be able to work on that and we're adding parameters and just making sure the algorithms are correct.
Yeah, Jay, when you start your class and start your office hours with me, we'll get that training wheel thing sorted out and get you managing your stops.
Yep. Here comes 68. Order filled.
Nice.
Two first touch rule trades, and you guys took both of them. Many of you took both of them. This is fantastic. And we're amazed. The coaches are amazed that our clients are doing so well and getting this.
I love it. I love it when they listen.
Yeah.
What was it? Murdoch says, I love it when the plan comes together.
Yeah, Murdoch. Yeah, remember. 31,845, next target, right? Should have gotten that, right? Roughly. And then where? 820.
29,000.
Yeah, 20. Yeah, hold for 29,000. Boy, we'll be playing every song then. I think we'll hire a real mariachi band.
There you go.
It goes down there. Hey, there's Murdoch. There they are.
All right, Sloan. Have a great day. See you, buddy.
Great job, Sloan. Good job, Bill.
Great job, Bill. Great job, Sloan. Have a great day.
I think great job for everybody this
I'm
morning.
excited. Sloan is doing his in-person mentorship soon, Coach. I'm excited for him.
Fantastic.
I'm going to just become that much better of a trader. Well, I can tell you guys, Sloan is a living testament. He's been around for a little while, and I think he will tell you that we will do our best to make sure that you get profitable on a regular basis. Those of you on trial, if you're on trial, feel free. We got 200 and something people here. Ask questions. Ask our members.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, we'll answer your questions. You guys can go on off-topic chat all you want and say, "Hey, are these guys the real deal?"
Okay, let's wait for another overbought situation. And we'll look for a sell signal based on the overbought and a hook back down. Many of you are already done for the day, so there's no need to jump in and chase the market. Let's see if we can get it a little bit higher and then a hook down. See if we can get the JTHMA to hook or slant down. Right now it's slanting up. You want to see these things slanting down. All it is showing where buyers or sellers coming in. You guys see the ticks right now? You notice buy programs coming in? Does everybody see that? The buy programs are now coming in a little bit, short covering. No need to rush in right now. Everybody's flat, right? Everybody's flat now, right? Okay, just wait. This is where I had my stop before 950. Glad I lowered it. Still, even at 950, I would have made 34 points. Let's see if the next area where I shorted, remember before it was 984. We're going to watch for that area. If that can't make it, as soon as it starts breaking down again, there's another short in there. Done for the day. Love it.
Getting done for the days everywhere.
Yeah.
And heck, if you get deep enough in the profit, you can attach your stop to the 200 and let it ride and go
Yeah.
spend your day doing whatever it is you do during the day. Me,
Mhm.
I tend to talk to you yahoos and trade a little bit. If you have a job, stick it on the 200, go do it. If you have
Remember, yesterday's low, guys, was 32,235. So that possibly could be hit. Nothing wrong with keeping a limit order to short there. And if it turns down like it looks like it's doing right now,
there it is.
there it is.
Should be well in a profit if you took the 16 tick rule, guys. Right?
You got it.
Tony, I'm assuming they're going to do anything they can to unload some of these positions. That's my guess. So, like Coach said, don't be surprised if the market doesn't rally up a little bit to get sold off. Do not be surprised.
Take some off here. On this sell signal, take some off. Notice how the JTHMA sort of wiggled up here and then it's rolling over. The turnstile trade did give a sell signal. Whatever we want to call it, we're gonna come up with 5
Turnstile trade.
Well, you know, the
There it
turninator turned. Here's the turninator, guys. The turninator. See that little double top in there? Turninator. Those little red bars.
Give you the sell signal.
That's a sell signal. Yep. Now imagine if you had that just appearing. You don't have to wait for a coach. You could see it for yourself, and then that becomes your signal, right? And then you say, all right, maybe I'm going to jump in here. You should be up like near 60 points already. Did anyone take that trade? Good job, Sean. The Turninator.
Good job, guys. All right.
Here's our 845. I have 2 left now. You know where my next target is, right, guys? Where's my next target? Call it out, please. Please help me this time. The last time I missed it. This time I'm going to get this sucker. This time. Come on. $9.08 is my stop right now, guys. $9.08 is the stop. Just in case it doesn't come down. We can't lose on this trade, guys. Come on. Oh, it's going to stop me out with a gain again. Oh, man. Drat the luck.
Don't you just hate it when you get stopped out with it?
Yeah, I do. So far, I'm not stopped out yet. I think Mr. Market may be playing a little game. We'll see. Still got the stop in there. I'm going to lower the stop 2 more ticks to 906. 906 stop. He's going to get me this time. He's going to bite. He's trying to nibble. Yeah, now look, I'm watching him. Still a good trade, though, guys. Already made 70 points on this trade. Now it's just a matter of, am I going to get
Good job, guys.
out? Boo. Okay. Still not a bad trade, though. And really, I should have kept my stop above the swing point, but guess what?
Right.
Don't need to give up that much. Good, Jay. Good job, Guy. Jennifer.
Good job, guy.
Probably going to go down there now that I'm not in, but that's okay. We've hit this a couple of times. We hit this bank one too many times. Probably just a little too tight on the stop.
Shaking the piggy bank.
Yeah. But again, you know, when it's at 830 and it goes up 70 points, it's hard to stay in that trade. So I pulled the stop down. High ticks is another short in here, guys.
Anybody?
Right, it's
Yeah.
another short.
Anybody got short there again?
Yeah.
Or you guys still short? Who was still short? Who got short again?
All right. I just nibbled back in there at 885.
Who got shorty?
Me, short again. I want that 20. Please, Mr. Market.
Should have gotten in, guys. Close to the first touch rule. Easy little sell signal right around 890. There you go, Coach.
Oh yeah, come on. This time we're gonna get it.
There you go, Coach.
Come on, this. Oh, that missed a market. He's really hitting.
Fighting.
It's like the referee that misses a obvious interference call in the end zone. The guy's like hanging on his neck, biting him, and
Right.
the guy's looking somewhere else. It's very frustrating. Did you see? You know what, guys? I'll tell you, the combine really tests how athletic you are. And if you looked at Pete yesterday, the coach of Seattle,
Pete
he
Carroll.
jumped. He had to jump. Yeah, Pete Carroll had to jump like it. 40-inch. Yeah, there we go.
He did.
We got it.
Hey.
One left, trail to stop. 822 stop on the balance. 822 stop on one left. Oh, yeah, Coach, you're going to have to cue up that music.
Gotta keep one running.
818 stop. 816 stop on that one left now. Wow. 814 stop. 812 stop. 810 stop. I'm just pulling down by 2 ticks. 808 stop.
I'm still in from 980.
Nice job. Yeah. 808 stop. I'm going to let it run a little bit down. Now I'll pull it down 2 more. 806 stop. 804 stop. Got to catch
You guys
up.
are in this, right? Please tell me every single person is in it.
Yeah. 8. I'll fix this chart. They're amazed. I know. 802 stop. Going to do 799 stop. Wow.
Oh, Alex. See you, buddy. Have a great one.
Good job, Alex.
All right, Paul. Have a good one.
Good job, Paul. 797 stop. 795 stop. 793 stop. Who else is still in there? I don't have time to look at the screen, but yeah, Tony. Tony's short. Sean is short. And loving it. 791 stop. Let's pull it down to 87 stop. 787 stop. I'm going to leave it there now. I think it's coming back up. Leave it there for another minute. Nope, going down. We're going to pull it down to 784 stop. We're down 738 points. The market does not like that inflation number. Look at Rocky go.
I told you. I think I told you I had that point. I had that dream where the market fell 2,000 points in a day.
Ooh, well, yeah.
This could be the day.
1,700 points to go, guys, and we're at 29,000. 781 stop here. Looks like we're going to get it. Okay, I got hit. Boom. All right, Coach. Got to cue up the song.
Let's do it. Here we go. Great job, everyone. We had a runner.
Wow.
I love it.
Yeah. Oof,
Great.
man.
Everybody's done for the day already. I'm still trailing. Still trailing.
Great job.
Still trailing.
Arnold. Great job, guys. How many got part of this last swing down? Beautiful. Bill, did you get part of that? You're on a roll today.
Thanks, Domingo.
We
We'll
love
try
it.
our best.
And sadly, we took advantage of Grandmont today because they had to get out. They were just dumping it. And a couple of other institutions were dumping it. Yeah, you know, the funny thing, Coach, right before the numbers, I was thinking, you know, maybe I'll just keep that long. You know, I mean, you know, I'm already up 26 points. What am I going to lose? You know, maybe I'll just pull a stop down. And then I turned away and I was looking at where's the pivot on my other screen. And I looked down and it's like, hey, it's not there anymore. Whoa, look at that thing all the way down there. And then Coach Tara reminded everyone again, hey, the inflation numbers are coming out.
What?
Yeah.
But we're over with this inflation thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it was
It's
no
still
more.
here.
Unbelievable.
Crazy.
Unbelievable, guys. Dry up. Then that's almost like, uh-oh, that's the guy who's out way beyond his friends surfing. And, you know, they're all like, hey, why don't we get in? There's a lot of seals in the area. And he's like, what does that mean? And then the guy yells, oh, great white sharks love seals. And he looks down and all of a sudden he realizes, uh-oh, little too late. I think the other analogy that we were talking about this morning, and again, it's from speaking with you guys, it's not just a theory. It's like we tell you, all right, we've put together a plan
Have a good one,
that
Mike.
if you follow it, it's like a bag of gold. And we tell you, there's a bag of gold over there. You want to go pick it up? And you go, where? Where's the bag of gold? And we say, over there by the dumpster in the alleyway, over there on the right. And you go, yeah, all right, I'll get that later. And you go, all right, what are you going? What are you doing? I'm going to go over that pile of dog crap over the left. Well, why are you doing that? There may be a diamond in there. Okay, but what makes you think there's a diamond in there? I don't know. It would be a cool thing, though, right? But have you ever found a diamond in a pile of dog crap? No, but maybe this would be the first time. Okay, look, I put the gold over there. I know it's there. It's there. Why don't you at least try that one first? And they always do the other one first. It's like this built-in, I need to lose. And we're trying to help you guys. We've picked up enough bags of dog poop in our lives to know what works. And if you throw away all of the other stuff, you know, it will make you money.
We try to tell people that. Is Tim here today?
Yeah, that'd be great, Eric. Yeah, what time is good for you? Like right after 12?
Most people tend to overcomplicate this thing. We've broken it down to about the simplest way you can possibly trade and be consistently profitable.
Mm-hmm.
And still people, they don't trust. They either don't trust us or don't trust themselves.
I know.
Both.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Chad, I'm telling you, spend a month. Do the $2.99 for a month, Chad. That's it. 1 month. Get into my office hours. You get 4 weeks, 3 days a week. 3 days a week. You can be in my office hours, Chad. We
Yeah.
will get you turned around. 1 month. That's it. Then go back to being a regular trader. Remember.
Exactly.
Ask Tim, Chad.
The inflation numbers, Tony. The 830 inflation report.
The inflation that we already knew was there. That
That they
for some
confirmed.
reason, for some reason, everybody else on the planet didn't know was there.
What I tried to put down in the comments this morning, guys, fundamentals. I mean, big reports like that dictate the market. Pivot levels, S1, S2 mean nothing. Once the big news is over, then the technicals are of value. So it moves to another level, and then you use your technical levels. But if you're buying because the trend is up and news comes out and everybody has to sell, trust me, guys, no daily pivot is going to stop it. And look at it. Look at the proof. There was no buying at all because it was a bearish report. So that just nobody goes, well, I'm losing $100,000 here, but you know, the pivot is right here. So maybe that'll help. It's like, oh God, report's bearish. I got to get out. Then it finds a new level. And then we bought this. Remember, guys, we bought this pullback here. We bought this overdone reaction. If you remember, we bought, and then we bought again here. I bought it twice. We did make money, like 40 points on long trades because we understand the market condition. You know, after it goes down and it stops, then why does it stop going down? So that's another thing, again, not for counter trend traders, but what happened here? Look at this, 32,017. 200-point rally in what? A minute? Why? Because look at everybody who did sell. They're like, wow, look at this. I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy. They're all buying and goes up. And then again, it goes down. We bought it here again, if you remember, right? And then it popped up again. And I think we did it one more time. I know of selling at 25 right here. Remember? Bill, you were in on this one, right? 090. So you could buy it. That was a 30-point little rally right there. 3 buys off of the oversold condition. And then it was like, okay, now we wait for what? Wait for the market to open. What do they do for 2.5 minutes? They push it up. And then what happens? After the 6-minute arrivals, you get your first touch roll. That's sort of a recap, right? If anybody waited until 9:36, so here you're waiting. I'll draw a line. You go, oh man, look, everybody's making money, but I'm not. And we're yelling at you, wait, just wait. So here's 9:36. All right, now you waited until this vertical line. So what do you do now that you waited? Well, we said, remember, way before 9:30, what do? You put into a plan. What's your plan? I'm going to wait for an overbought market and take we said to a couple of traders there, what's your favorite trade? And some of them said, first touch rule. Okay. Then those who said first touch rule, you go, all right, it's 9:36. You sharpen up your pencil. You push your coffee over to the left. You go, all right. Now, do I get because remember, you're here. You don't know that this can happen. Here you are, right? Everybody see that? Tony, you looking at that? 936, you're allowed to travel to get this out of the way. So here's the mark. Do you go short down here? 936. Are you allowed to go short down here? It's at no. Why? Oversold market. So you relax. You're saying, all right. I know I want to do it, but am I going to go short here and risk to 32,011? So even going short can hurt you if you don't know what you're doing. Shut up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I gotta close the volume in there. Give me a second, guys, so we don't keep getting interrupted. All right, volume down. I forget to put the volume up, then it's usually Coach calling me, and I'm in the other room and I don't hear it. Okay. Now it's too low. All right, so you got to wait. What are we waiting for? We said today 3 things. FTR, or there's other trades, right? M. And the one we're talking about, overbought situation with a 15 range trade, right? Those are the only 3 things that I know of the 6 that we talk about. These are the 3, right? We don't do scale in the beginning because we didn't get approval, right?
You
don't do
probably
tape
don't
reading.
understand how to do it properly.
Yeah, you forget about tape reading. You're not ready for it. So, okay, one of those 3. But here's where the mind starts playing tricks. Go short at the market. You're never going to get a first touch roll ever again. No M's. There's no M's anymore. No 15 range trades. Just go in now. You know you want to go in now because Coach said it's going to 820. You got to get, that's 50-point profit, 60-point profit from here. You got to go in. Oh, look. Nope. It might go higher, right? There it is. There's your first touch rule. Now, at least, you don't worry about 820s or so. You worry about, okay, I'm short. I know where my stops could be. My stop was 950, right? Now, Coach and I got short here, and people who went short here. This was the first touch rule too, but some of you are not allowed to do that. Some are. Coach and myself got short around this 984 level, right? So later on, when it went to, when we had 954, I was already locking in a 30-point profit.
981 was my fill.
Yeah, there you go. So by the time it's 950, Coach has more than 30 points profit. But that doesn't mean a new trader can't go in here and put 950 as a stop also. So now everybody can trade this one. Also, does everybody see this little M here? Goes up, comes down, right? Where does it come down to? 890 what? What does it come down to? This 892 level? So you could put a sell stop at 891. That gives you an M trade. All right, so 2 of those trades are done. Let's take a look if at 941 there was maybe another trade. Well, yep, I see one. Let's show you this one. 941. Right here, you see this? Now, the other thing, we got to get that red in, but the point is the 15 range gives you a sell signal right there or right there. Either one. Stop is, again, above where the first touch roll area. So you're short somewhere in here, nice run down. And then it actually gave you a buy signal here. Does everybody see that? What does that mean? Go long? No. But cover short? Yeah, yes, possibly, right? Now, I never covered all of them. I'm still bearish. So, but I covered two of them, and I'm still upset. Why am I upset? Because I never got filled down here. I'm still sitting with 820 as my buy. I missed it by one tick. That's all right. I really wanted to short a whole bunch of them higher, but it never got that high. So here it does. And there's another sell signal. And then that one does give me the 820 and a chance to trail. See how a little plan, if executed properly, and having the patience to wait for these things, they eventually put you in the right trade, and you can control your risk. Anybody can go short anywhere, but it's no good if you take a 90-point stop out. Good job, Bill. Any questions?
Good job, Bill. Any questions, guys?
Just wanted to recap how the morning went. That's not to say how we were going long earlier. Yeah, people hear, wow, you're going long. That was crazy. Well, it wasn't crazy because the trend was up.
This is a sell signal.
It was up 200 points. The market was up 240. So you don't have to predict what's going to happen. Yeah, the 1030 reversal would actually be a buy signal now, wouldn't it? And think about it. Do you think there's a lot of traders wherever the market is right now who've been short for the past hour, wherever, somewhere, and maybe around the 32,000 level, and they're going, you know what? I'm doing pretty good right now. I'm getting out. I've been in this a whole hour. That's what happens on the 1030 reversal. But I'm not going to, I'd play it if we were. Here's how I play the 1030 reversal. Let's say the market's up 300 points. By 1030, it's only up 110 points, right? Meaning it's come down 190 points from the high. Still in an uptrend, though. Then I'll play it to go back up. Or like yesterday, you could have looked for a short trade.
Did anybody re-enter short on that little M break?
Yeah, there's a little M right there. Right?
Did anyone do it? Good job, Will Trade.
789. You could even try
Lock in profits.
pull back to 789 and short it. Sometimes, guys, you miss a trade. Just figure out, where did I miss it? Put your order there. Market comes back, gives you your fill, and you're still with a viable trade. If you've missed the trade, don't go market. Go limit.
You got still short, trailing and selling.
Good job, coach.
Anybody else still doing it?
I tried to get filled at 89. Did not get a fill.
Good job, Will Trade. It's better than being round, Tim. You made money though, right, Tim? Good. Everybody wants to talk to you this morning, Coach.
I know. They love me.
They love me.
I am a little concerned. Let's see, 6. Yeah. My little concern is this. I hope the hospital isn't screwed up. I got a notice, your check-in is all ready for for September 21st. So I called. I said, you realize the doctor is going to be there the day before, the 2 surgeons. They go, well, we have you for the 21st. I said, yeah, that's the second surgery. And they said, well, we don't have you listed for the 20th. So now I'm freaking out. I'm called the doctor's office again. And their scheduling nurse, she says, oh, no, it's right here. I'm a little nervous. One side, you remember, there's doctors and there's hospitals, and they're like 30 miles apart. I'm not convinced that somebody screwed up. And just because the doctor's office might have gotten some report back, but I called that woman and she's like, oh, no, I got it right here. You're scheduled. And it's like, then why doesn't the surgery center know about it? And it won't help to know, well, you sent us a fax 10 weeks ago. I would love everyone to say, yep, we got you. And then why would they have it listed for the 21st and not the 20th? So that's still bothering me. Yeah, or I'd be at Motel 6. They can do that, get a bed and have the 2 doctors meet you over there. The maid will come in to clean up the next day and find a stomach on the bed sheet there. What's that? Oh, it's somebody's stomach. Ugh. I think it's a stomach or a hot water heater bottle.
Bladder.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Good job, Will Trade. Yeah, I never got filled in my 89
Will Trade. Just another boring day at the office. There it is. Sales signal for anybody aggressive.
But I jumped in one at 80. I figured, well, let me try one. Still have 2 left at 89, but I'm at that 780 now.
Guys, make sure to write down these numbers. Make sure to remember numbers when myself or coach are calling numbers out. Write them down. Know why they are where they are. Take some profits if you guys just got back in.
Good job, Coach. Good call.
It's too close to
you're right.
10:30.
It is too close. But again, that's why I had to stop. And think of it this way, Rad. I was trying to get filled at 789. Couldn't do it. So maybe the market's really weak, right?
Let's test
So-
this low, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time. Just hit this low, guys.
Now it's a free
We're
ride.
locking profits. If it breaks it, then we're going down, right?
Yeah.
We don't have to have a 1030 reversal, Rad. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Yeah.
You can take your trade, have a stop. Know it's a high probability trade, Rad. That's why you need to get in the coaching program, Rad.
Yeah. And 1030, they may be
Coaching will
covering
help you.
shorts. I don't think there's anyone in their right mind is going to like bet the ranch and go long at 1030. They'd be covering some, but as you could see, that's a normal 1030 reversal is like if the market's up or down. I think I explained that, right? If the market's up 300 and comes down 200 at 1030, it'll reverse and go back up. It doesn't go down 1,000 points and automatically reverse. But what will happen is some traders who are short will start covering in an hour. That doesn't mean everybody's going to cover. And today's a little bit of exigent circumstances, right? Think about that. My stop right now on this short is 761. So I'm locking in 19 points and I'm going to be stopped out maybe now. Nope. 758 is my stop. That's the one that I was trying to get 3 contracts short at 789. That's the one. Remember, Coach said that's an M.
All right, guys. Those of you that got short there, slow your stops.
Yeah. Where did Coach point the M out, guys?
Hey, there it
Right
is.
here.
Hopefully you guys took that. Brad, did you get in that? Like we said, this trade, you should be way profitable by now on this trade, Brad.
So the first touch rule on this, it's an M and a first touch rule. Does everybody see
You're
that?
learning this one.
It's an M here and a first touch rule, 789. See that? Right here, 789. So I tried, couldn't get in, so I went in 780 instead. Yeah, I don't want to give back profits either. Good job. All right. Those are that's a little confluence of indicators.
I will take that, Rad, as an answer.
Yep.
That is perfectly fine with me.
Yep. And you're green today, right, Brad?
Yeah, I was about to say, is everybody green? If you're red, let us know. We will get you green now. Is everybody green?
I think instead of calling trades out for anyone not green, we'll just take up a collection for you. Chad, what are you doing? Chad, get a broom
Chad.
out.
All right, Chad, you're required now. Do 1 month at the pro level. Get in my office hours. Let's get you fixed, buddy. Seriously.
Yeah.
That's it. 1 month. Go back to 99 after that.
Yep.
I want to help you, man. I
Yep.
really want you to be green. There's no way the past 2 days, if you follow the plan, that you should be red. And I mean that sincerely. I really want you to be green, buddy. I'm lowering my stop.
Bill and I talked last night, and I said, you know it's working. You know the pattern is working. It's just we got to get through that perfect mentality. And Chad, you know what Bill did for a living, right? Bill N. First fighter and then airline pilot. But pilots have the biggest problem. Why? Because, if I ask, what's your percentage of landings at an airport versus into water or buildings, usually it's 100%. Yeah, and engineers, that's it. And it's like something's wrong. I got killed once. You're not allowed to get killed more than once. But in trading, you got to go, yeah, I lost my I crashed, no problem. Give me another plane. And that kind of mentality doesn't exist with pilots.
We got back in at 771.
And that's why I had such a hard time. As soon as I lost, like had a losing day, I'd go back for a week and try to redesign the systems. I got it back.
It's broken.
The Fibonacci with the double bottom reversal and use, a regression line. Regression lines always come back to the mean. I'll try that for a while, then lose and go, you know what? The other one's working that I used to use. I'll try that again. And I went through this for 49 months. And a psychiatrist told me about that. So it wasn't like Linda or any day trader. It was a psychiatrist. Which I lied to the FAA.
Right.
Have you ever seen a psychiatrist? No.
No.
See him. I closed my eyes while I was there. Oh, you meant see him. Oh, visit. Yeah, I did visit. No, I wasn't mentally ill. I was seeing for getting, and he was a performance coach, really, more than a psychiatrist. Just happened to be a psychiatrist, but he put himself out as a sports person. Somebody who's just afraid to get to the next level. And everybody's, can be a victim like that. Think sports, that's what, I mean, the most classic case on the planet ever was Sonny Liston versus Cassius Clay. I mean, you had this kid who was like going to get killed. I mean, Sonny Liston beat guys up in prison for fun. He would just knock him out and everybody like, all right, here's another tough guy. Boom. 30 seconds later, he knocks him out. Until like one of the prison guys say, hey, you know what? You ever think of becoming a professional when you get out? And what was the other thing Sonny Liston used to do? Beat up cops. And then like 16 cops would go, he'd be knocking out a few of them until he got tired. And then they'd put him in jail. He'd get out. In St. Louis, they'd like, all right, we're going to harass this guy. Nope. He took a cop. He knocked him out and picked him up, threw him in the garbage can. You would think somebody like that's going to be dead. So here's this kid. I'm going to whoop you. And it's like, oh, no, don't do that to Sonny Liston. But he got so bad. I don't know if you guys follow that. He went in a bus. He hired a whole bunch of reporters. He went in a bus at 2:00 in the morning outside Sonny Liston's house and called him out. You're a loser. You can't hit anything. You're going to go down. I'm going to be the champion. And everybody said, Clay is crazy. At one time in a casino, he challenged him. And Liston shot a starter pistol. Clay that time thought it was a real gun because he pulled out his gun, started firing it, and Clay's running away. And yet he completely psyched out Sonny Liston. Sonny Liston got in the ring, felt, oh my God, this guy must know something. He's going to beat me up. I don't know what it is, but he's going to beat me up. He beat him up twice. Now, the second time, I think the mob had something to do with it, but the first time, he beat him up. It was complete psych out.
Those of you who got back short,
Stay short.
stay short, lower your stops, guarantee yourself profit. I personally just have mine attached to the 89 at this point. Again, re-entered at 771.
Yeah, you're locking in 20 points already, guys. You can't lose. We're going to be down 1,000 points today. Market's heading in that direction. It's just so everybody is so disgusted with the performance and the numbers. Yeah. S3 is hard. Now, the next support, guys, really is 31,510. So you got another 160 points to go. Grandma's finally short now, but they took a whopping loss. But guess what? It goes down another 200 or 300 points, and they're profitable. Yeah, just keep whatever setup has worked for you so far. We'll trade. I would be done for the day if I were you. How many trades have you traded so far, Will? Three good ones. Three runners.
Well, I kept trying to tell you guys, get into one of these and stay short.
Yeah.
I don't know how much more clear I could be about it, but it's Tim's favorite time of the day. Guess what Coach Brian's eating? So you're well in a profit then, right? Will trade. Oh, good.
Yeah, we don't want you to give it back. That's the main thing.
I was going to say that if you were, if you weren't, you could short the support break.
Yeah, and let's put it this way. That's a great comment. If you shorted right now and got filled at 660 and had your stop where Coach is tagging it 743, would you turn red? If the question is yes, then don't do it.
I'll take it. Yep.
Yeah. So know where your entry would be, where would your stop be, calculate that, and decide whether you want to take the trade, whether it's risky or not. So it all starts with knowing your stop area. Coach, we keep telling you guys, that's why we ask, is anybody in the trade? Because if you are, we'll help you with the stops. So right now, guys, if I had to go and enter a new trade, I would not go short here because the stop would have to be 740. But would I go short at 690 with a 740 stop? Yeah.
And just to let you know, Tim, it's a potato, green pepper, spinach, and cheese omelet.
For the rest of you, that's code for the exact trades to take. We're going to name it the cheese omelet setup. When you get a yellow bar, you go start on that one, the cheese omelet.
The cheese omelet.
We're good at names, that's for sure. The snout, the dragon snout.
Yeah, take a break.
You know what? I need coffee. I'm going to get some coffee. Be right back. 5 minutes.
I gotta tell you guys, it's a really beautiful thing that when you get to the point in your trading career that you can wake up anytime, get into the room at any time, open your platform at any time of the day, and know that you will find an opportunity and make money. Tim, how comforting is it that you've been profitable on a daily basis there, buddy? Yeah. One of the things that Tim and I worked on was, I don't care how much profits it is every day, just take on profits every day. Your mindset starts to change in a way that you cannot imagine. Can't fix those for you. And guys, those of you who are in the pro or elite area, including mentorship people, Tim has graciously allowed us to do a trade review on Thursday that you guys can take part in and listen to and watch. It will help you tremendously. You will learn a lot. So those of you, JW, Will Trade, whoever else had questions, no, I don't think it was Will Trade. It was JW and somebody else. Yes, Stuart. That's what it was. JW, Stuart, guys. If anything, learning how to manage your trades, especially with training wheels, which is Tim is still on a version of training wheels for our ATM. Learning how to manage that and keep profits on a regular basis might be worth $300 for 1 month. I don't know. You guys make that decision. I hope you're there on Thursday. I'm happy to coach you if you guys are there. Today at 1 p.m., guys, Tuesday, our officially first session of office hours, formerly known as group coaching. 1 p.m. with yours truly. Any pro, elite, or mentorship person can join that. Yeah, you can actually download your trade log online if you're in the mentorship program, pro version or elite version of this. If you're a trade room person only, then you're Chanel. You share results daily. Are you looking for trade review, Chanel, or are you asking to share to the public? Chanel, if you're asking to share to the public, you're welcome to do it on work with Coach Ryan. He'll help you get it on the YouTube channel. Then anybody can take a look. No, Denise, you just need to go to the calendar, find out what room it's in, and then click on that link and you'll be there, 1 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, however you want to share them, we're happy to do it. You can do it in here. If you keep the best way to do it, keep your trade log, or if you want to submit a little support ticket on the website and say I'd like to share my results publicly, we can make that happen. We have like YouTube, all the social media channels if you want. We can even get your Facebook link to it if you want to. I am still short, ladies and gentlemen, riding the 89 with my stop. Hopefully you guys that missed out on some of it got short at that support break. If you didn't, be patient. Anybody know where the next level of support would be? Anyone?
Well, I'm back, and whoa, it's still going down. Cool.
I'm still short.
Yeah.
Try to tell them to get back in on flag.
Are you guys, anybody in there? This is cool. Great. I'm lowering my stop to 698, guys.
Okay.
Good job, Sheila. 698 stop. This is fun. So 70 points away, but I've locked in 50 points. Think we're going to get another. We'll do Cucaracha this time. Where are you in there? Where are you guys in? Wow. S4 we're going to.
I got my next level around 432.
All right. Where are you guys short at?
Let us know. Let us help.
Some of the rest of you. $770. Wow. Great job, Sheila.
Hey, that's awesome. I was in at 771. Perfect, Sheila.
Mm.
Good job, young Fab. Oh, you guys are making it. I re-entered at that price. Good job. It's amazing.
All right. 665 is the stop.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Thank you for joining our live stream this morning. If you'd like to join us live in the trade room and participate in chat and get your questions answered by a coach, visit libertytradingclub.com and you can join us for a free 3-day trial. After your free trial, it's just $99 a month to have trade room access, and you'll also unlock our training videos on our trading methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.